Yo, what's up, everybody? What's up? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today we're gonna be unboxing this puppy right here, the Slim Power Bank for iOS and Android. It comes with a big digital display, plus the lanyard is also the charging cable, and it has a second charging cable for iOS devices. So this puppy right here, I bought it off of Amazon for $19.99. This is a 16,000 milliamp hour battery pack right here. It's supposed to be thin and light. So, but before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please give us a big thumbs up. Thumbs up help us get further into the YouTube algorithm so more people can see the video. So do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. And let's get to the eagle eye view. To the eagle eye view. Here the puppy is right here. This is everything. Very simple package. No need for an unboxing knife today. So go ahead and get this unboxed. Should be a short unboxing. Like I said, this will run you around about $19.99 if it's still on sale. Probably around about $30 to $40 off sale. Here we go. We have the actual booklet. We're going to get rid of this. Let's get to it. Okay, we have this right here, which is the USB-A to USB-C. Oh, here we go. Take that off. So this is what, 16,000 milliamp hour adaptive quick charge. So this can be used with adaptive quick charge. So let's go through it. Okay, now I said it has two. You have two. If you have an iOS device, I don't know why you would, but in case you do, you have this right here, which is already on. So I do like the ones that come with the charge, the wires already connected. And here go your lanyard, and it is a USB-C. So your lanyard is a USB-C, and then you have USB-C right here, and then you have USB-A right here. And it gives you what it is. This is in and out. Type C, that's out. And this is out Type C. And it's telling you this is a, let's see if we can get it. There you go, out for iOS. So there you go, very simple. Let's see the power button, how much charge we have, 81% on here. So why don't we go ahead and let's see how it charges up. All right, guys, this right here, before we charge it up with this right here, we're actually going to use this quick fast lightning right here. So quick charge. Now, if you see when it's rapidly charging, you get that green lightning bolt right there. That means it is rapidly charging up. So now let's do this. We're gonna go ahead and make sure. Sorry for bumping the camera, guys. We're gonna put in this my big boy here. And you see, right here. Quick charge. Let's go here. So it's charging up. That is cool. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is grab my other phone and see, let's see how we're back. Let's get into see if it will charge up my phone. This is the S24 Ultra here. First of all, we're going to use this right here, the actual cable that came with it, before we get into the one that's a lanyard. So go ahead and put it in here. And there you go. It says it's charging. 57 minutes until full. All right, before we go for the lanyard, guys, I want to go ahead and make sure that the C to C, since it says in and out, we got C to C. And here. there you go. It says fast charging. So C to C is fast charging. Okay. That's nice, 40 minutes. So you see it cut down some time. C to C is fast charging, guys. Now let's see how the lanyard does. The built-in lanyard. Here we go right here. Built-in lanyard, which is the C. And they do have the one that's iOS. Since I don't have an iOS device, I can't test that one. But we'll go ahead with the C. There we go. So it's regular charge, 56 minutes until fully charged. So all of the charging ports do work, which is wonderful. Before we go, guys, what we're going to do, we're going to look at some other kind of small slim chargers, batteries that I have. We compare. So this is one of the ones I just recently got. Small, but you can see this is smaller. Now this right here, if you can see, is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. This is 16. So you can see on here, 16,000. So you can see this has more than this, but look, this is taller, and this is yet, thicker because it has, all this up here, the battery stuff, the lights and stuff. But you can see, man, they're starting to get really small with the designs. 16,000. You have this one right here, which is a 15,000. I'm sorry. If you can see it, 15,000. You can see this is thinner, taller, but this is still something that you can put in your pocket, something that you can actually put in your purse, ladies, without having problems. We have this one right here, which this is a 20,000 milliamp hour battery. Let me see if I can get that in. So you can see that right there. Let's see right there, 20,000. So this is pretty good too, as well. Now this is more than this. Now this is a little denser, but as you can see, about the same thickness. Same thickness. As you can see, same thickness, but this is a little taller. And this one is like I said, if you don't have a wire, you have wires already built onto this. That's why I like it. There you go. And the last one we're going to be doing is this one. This one right here is a 4,300. I think this is 4,300. And you can see now this is again 16,000. This is 4,000. So you can see this. This is will get you enough juice to make a call. Probably fill you up maybe 25%. This right here will probably get you all the way up to full, depending on what size phone you have. So maybe halfway, almost to full, depending on what size phone you have. So you can see that they're getting kind of, smaller with each turn, So what I would say, guys, that anytime you can find something on Amazon that is cheap, get it. Get it, get it, get it, because you never know when you're going to be without power, when you're going to be needing something like this when you're out. Ladies, your kids be out because normally they don't charge the phone up. And you can see how this already come with the lanyard, so they don't have to have a wire, don't have to ask nobody for a wire. So I think this is a good buy. Let's get back to the regular view, give you my final thoughts, and give it a grade. Yo, I'm back, everybody. Give you my final thoughts and give the Slim Power Bank a grade. Off the top, I'm going to give it an A, guys. I'm going to give it an A. I think this is a nice little gift. $19.99 for this when I got it, guys. It might be a little bit more now, but $19.99. I think the regular price was like $30-something, but you still can't beat that price either. 16,000 milliamp hour battery, adaptive quick charging. This is 30 watts. Here, I think this is a steal, guys. You can't. Excuse me, I'm getting tongue-tied. I tell everybody, keep one of these in your bag. Keep this in a cool place in your car. You never know what will happen. They're getting small enough now. You can put this in your purse, ladies. Put one of these, two of these in your book bag, guys. Tell your kids to travel with one of these around, because you never know when you're going to need some extra juice. And because it comes with its own, wire that you don't have to take out or ask somebody, do they have a wire? You have iOS and you have USB-C for Android, this is a win-win. So I would say get one of these. If you can find it on sale, even if you can find it off sale, get something like it, because to me, you can never have too many of these. You never know when the power's gonna go out. You never know when you're gonna be, somewhere you only got 10% or less than that because you forgot to charge your phone at night and you're running out, and now you need to make a call but you can't, but you have one of these to make the call, charge up your phone. Just do me a favor. Don't do like most kids do. Have this at the bed. You're using this to charge up your phone instead of using the wall adapter and the wire you got right next to your bed. Don't do that. For some reason, my kids do that. My daughter do that. She'll charge up her phone with her battery pack. I'm like, where your battery pack? Oh, it's dead. Why didn't you charge up your phone with using, your wall plug? Oh, they humming home. So don't do that. Don't be one of those people. But I would say this is an A, guys. Comes with every essential. So I would say go ahead and get it. I'm gonna put it in the link below, or put something like it in the link below. Because sometimes when you get something that's $19.99, it might be a blowout sale. They might not have no more in. So if they don't have no more in, I'll put something close to the price of this that has everything that this one right here has. So just want to thank my new and current subscribers for rocking with your boy. Do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We're growing, so I want to thank you for the tremendous growth of the channel. We're almost to 800. So please, please, please like, share, and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up so that we can grow this unboxing community. Once again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech. Thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing journey, guys. We got some more unboxings coming soon, so please hit the notification bell, the icon bell down there, so you can be notified anytime I drop a new video. You have a good day. Peace.